Thank you. It's great to be back at Finovate again. I wanted to give you a little bit of a brief update of what's been going on with Kony since the fall. We continue to grow. We're now over 500 employees. We have over 45 global customers live and in the process of going live, as well as we continue to expand the breadth and depth of our platform. And we continue to be cash flow positive. One of the things I wanted to step in and just reiterate what the message of why Kony is to be. Kony became to be because we wanted to solve a problem of the fragmented, ever-changing mobile marketplace. It's very difficult and challenging for an organization to be able to say, pick, do I develop only iPhone or Android? With Kony, you don't have to worry about that. With our Write Once, Run Everywhere platform, we have you covered. Let's see here. So what I want to quickly walk you through is the Kony Studio. Inside the Kony Studio, this is where you would author your applications. So over here on the left-hand side are my applications, where an application consists of forms, which are UI elements. We have the modules, which is the business logic. We have the resources, which are the static embedded graphics and things you want to take advantage of, as well as any services you want to go out and connect to. In the middle here is our form editor. This is a WYSIWYG. This is not a WYSIWYG editor. This is where you drag and drop all the widgets that are available to you in the Kony platform to build your application. We expose all the different properties that are available to you for each widget. So you do not get a lowest common denominator solution with the Kony solution. You get the highest multiple. You get to take advantage of all the capabilities of the device and the platform you're choosing to develop on. So now I'd like to switch over and show you a little bit of some examples on the device of these applications actually running. First up, we're going to show you our vertical banking application on Android. This is the native Android application running. So what we're going to kind of walk you through is how you can just take this off-the-shelf application, choose to skin it, brand it, connect it to your financial, in this case, banking system, and be able to go live in a very, very short period of time. The other benefit of the Kony, since it's a Write Once, Run Everywhere solution, when you've authored your application inside the Kony platform, you can choose all the different channels and platforms you want to distribute out to. So here we're going through showing the account balances, being able to drill into, get the details on the account. We can also then show you that we can have out-of-the-box remote deposit capture. This is obviously a big feature. Right now we have customers in the financial services sector all the way from over 600 billion in deposits all the way down to 10 billion in deposits. Remote deposit capture is a very important feature for them to be able to expose to their customer base because it does help drive stickiness and improve transactions. So as he's going through and being able to take advantage of this picture, the camera in the device, be able to take the front and back of the check and be able to confirm it, be able to go through and actually submit the deposit to the account. Now once he's done that, I want to switch gears and I want to show you the mobile web version of the same application. So from the Kony platform, you get 8 highly optimized mobile websites that get generated to cover everything from advanced HTML5 all the way down to WML1.1. So what we're showing here is that exact same code base, walking you through and giving you all the ability to do transfers, but you'll notice here there's no remote deposit capture. We have that kind of capability and control when we deploy to the different channels to determine what functionality should be there. Just to give you a little bit of sense here, you're seeing that you're getting the true native input for all the different platforms. I want to now switch over to an iPhone application, showing you how it looks and feels on an iPhone application. We believe at Kony that when you write an application, it should behave and look and feel like a native app that's already there. It should not feel abstracted or not an application that doesn't belong on the device. So we're just going to walk through the same flow, showing you the same kind of capability here. This again is the iPhone native application as he's logging in, assuming the network is going to be kind to us. All right, so maybe it's not going to be kind to us today. So let's switch gears and let's try to show the mobile web to see if that maybe is a little bit better. So here's an example of that exact same application rendering out on the mobile web. And last but not least, we want to switch over and show you running on the BlackBerry. Again, with Kony, you don't have to pick and choose what platforms and make those tough decisions when you're going to go through your business requirements and saying, okay, how do I reach all my customers? Kony's there to help you reach all your customers through all the different channels on the native applications, mobile web, SMS, tablets, kiosks. We have you covered across the board. All right, I'd like to go back and show you one other thing. So some people might say that, you know, that sounds great, that's really impressive what you can do on all those channels, but maybe I've developed some things in-house. So what we are at Kony is we're an open platform. I want to give you an example of, say you had invested in something like Vasco, and you were saying, I want to go with Kony, but how do I leverage my investment in Vasco? We have something called a foreign function interface that allows us to import native libraries on the different mobile clients and incorporate them into your Write Once, Run Everywhere solution. In this case, I've written my wrapper methods for Vasco, gone through and actually imported the different libraries that are available on the different mobile platforms, and here, this case, for Android. So you can go out and be as creative and inventive as you want and push the boundary of all the different mobile platforms, but still get the benefit of the Write Once, Run Everywhere platform. So whether we develop it for you, or you develop it, or you feel that we don't have the right widgets there that you want to go push and be innovative in the market, you can take care of that and do that all inside the Kony platform. We also just want to come back and show you all the different channels that the Kony output can do. You have all your native apps that are available here, everything from iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone 7, Palm, Symbian, J2ME, and Brew. You also have the mobile web channel. That's what I was saying, where you get the 8 highly optimized websites. The tablet channel, right now we support the iPad and Android tablet form factor. The gadget channel, the native apps on Windows, as well as SMS. All that's available to you from a single click of a button. So if you are feeling the mobile pain right now and are looking for great options on how to take and mobilize your business, please come talk to us. We'll help work with you on building a world-class solution to market. Thank you very much.